So we had a bit of a failure with that run. Right at the end, the pull start smashed. He took it off. Here's what it looks like. The aluminium's cracked where the rope winds up, and the little tags are all mangled. But I've got another one. So I have to change the flywheel over and put this one on, which is from a different setup that blows air around the motor, so that might help it cool down as well. This is what it looks like with the case off. Weird shaped flywheel. Here's the flywheel fitted, and I'm about to fit the fan on. So here's the fan mounted on the flywheel. There was a bit of a gap behind here, so I made a little spacer. I hope that's alright. And it's got these little cowlings that go over everything, so it must direct the air around everything. So this is what it looks like all together. It's a weird white colour, but it's good because I can actually camo paint all of this and it'll be a bit disguised for hunting. I've got the muffler on now, which this is full of holes. This pipe, the exhaust runs through here, out this pipe, and then down to the water. And I broke the pull start again. I tried to run it. It ran quite easily, but it broke. I'll show you. So again, these pieces smashed out of here. I'm not quite sure how it goes together. I think there's probably been a spring or something missing that's supposed to hold them in, because when the motor's turned off, I heard it go bang and lock up. So I think that's the issue. So what I might try and do is see if I can spin it with a drill. But it's super high compression, but when you push the decompression, it spins quite easy. Okay, so now I've got welded a socket to a bolt. Put it in there, decompression lever down. Not quite fast enough to start it, but it's only a little tiny drill. I've got a Makita one at work, maybe I'll grab that. Okay, so I've got the Makita now, so hopefully this starts it, but I'm not going to film it because I might break my wrist, so I've got to quickly start her up and whip it off. Well, the Makita starts it without even doing a decompression lever. It's just great. So I might take this cover and take all this to bits and make a hole so I can reach the nut inside, and then just roll with that. Okay, so I've put the case back on and I can just start it through that hole, a hole sawed in the middle, pull all the pull starter stuff out. So next time hopefully it'll go well. I've got to hook up a kill switch to this wire, and I might put an air filter on too. That might make it run a bit better. That might be it for this time, so hopefully I get to ride it next weekend.